Affordable and clean energy SDG 7.
Renewable energy.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is and I study in grade pre-9 and today I am excited to present my project, the topic of which is hydraulics. Now I'm sure a lot of you are wondering what exactly are hydraulics. So first of all, let me explain what exactly hydraulics is. Hydraulics is a branch of science and engineering that deals with the study of the force of liquids, particularly oil or water. It is a mechanical function that operates using the force created by the pressure of water. In this case, the force we are using which runs our machine is the water in these syringes which travels through these tubes to secondary syringes attached to different parts of the structure. As these plungers are pulled, pressure moves with the water in the tubes to the secondary syringes, and as the secondary syringes fill with water, their plungers move forwards, which results in the machine moving. Now, the basic and most important thing about this project or any other hydraulic machine is that the principle of any hydraulic system is very simple. Force applied to the body of a fluid, in this case the water in these syringes, moves uniformly in all directions, as we can see through the paths they follow from the tubes to the other syringes. And when this force is moved in all directions, it works at right angles to any surface that comes in contact with the water. In this case, the secondary syringes along with the arms that are connected to them. So, let me explain what my project is. It is a robotic arm powered by hydraulics, and the main points kept in mind while making this is number one, that I've used materials that we would normally discard carelessly, such as cardboard, ice cream sticks, and wooden stools. This means that all the materials used are materials which we have recycled and reused. The fluid in the green syringe controls the main or primary arm of the project, while the fluid in the yellow syringe controls the secondary arm or lower arm of our project. Now, as force is applied to the main syringe, pressure moves to the secondary syringe, and as the plunger moves forward, our machine also lifts up. And as we do the same with the yellow syringe, it also controls the movement and direction of the secondary syringe attached to it. Now, the red syringe controls the movement of the fingers or the grabbing mechanism. The claws or fingers are attached to metal wires which are also attached to the secondary syringe containing the red fluid, and as force is applied to the main red syringe, pressure moves to the secondary red syringe, causing the claws to open and close. This mimics the movement of humans when we hold something, and it enables the machine to lift up different things. Now, while this is a small model, Much bigger machines like this are used in various industries to perform different functions, such as lifting heavy loads which humans or other machines cannot lift. And while hydraulics isn't used very commonly nowadays, with advancement, hydraulics may replace other machines because hydraulics happens to use a clean and renewable energy source, meaning that it does not create or cause any pollution. Therefore, hopefully in the future with advancement, hydraulics will replace other machines and make our planet healthier and more inhabitable for all humans and result in the welfare of mankind. Thank you.
A well is a large-sized hole in the ground. It is dug to extract groundwater. They are usually called a dug or open wells. Well water is shallow water. Generally, a rope, a pulley are used to draw water from a well. In the rural areas of Pakistan, we can see wells. Open wells are used for drinking and other domestic purposes. However, open wells are a greater risk of contamination. They can be covered to reduce the risk of contamination. A pulley is a wheel. A pulley uses a rope that goes around the wheel. A pulley attached to the objects. The other end of a rope has applied force. Applied force is a push or a pull. Pulley makes lifting things easier. Pulleys redirect force enables us to use the gravity to help us. Using several pulleys reduces the force required to lift an object. We have to use more rope and make the rope go further. We can get water from it. It stores water in it. This was the idea of my project to present the uses of pulley. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfraz and I am from grade pre-9. First of all, I will explain you what is acid rain, how it is formed and what are its harmful causes. Acid rain is any form of precipitation formed with acidic component. As you can see, sulfur dioxide SO2, nitrogen and nitrogen oxide NO2, NO3 from factories, vehicles, combined with water H2O and sulfuric acid H2SO4 and nitric acid HNO3 and make it acidic, and as a result acid rain and make it acid rain in nature. In form which is a cause of air pollution, acid rain cause damage in a plants, building and burial soil. It can also cause skin disease in human.